7 o'clock in the morning on Monday. We're at Ladera, St. Lucia, cleaning up after the hurricane. These guys are in the process of finishing cutting down a rubber tree. Fellas down here are cleaning up after a small slide where the bushes got smashed. This is Eddie. Eddie's starting to install some rocks along this to help hold the wall. These fellas up here are making gabions, which are big giant cubes of wire that are filled with rocks. Good morning. There's no way to get anything down there. I'm good, thank you. How are you? So everything's done by hand. So they got a chain formed, and they're moving these rocks from down at the bottom where they've been collected. Now we follow this chain all the way up. And let's see where we're going with it. They're still passing them. I'm getting in the way. Big long line. Morning. Now we'll follow them down. Gotta go around them a little bit. Down to the rock pile here. Then pile them up here. And then they're going to be taking them down around the corner. For there you see the gabions that are built, the wire cages. And we'll go around the corner and see where they're being installed.